What a drop here on the SPY, the S&P 500 index, and a full transition on 42 vision from the rip area of bright green bars to wire thread borders down here from way up here at 544, 545 mark, and then all the way down to 534. If this is your first time coming across the channel, welcome to all subscribers, welcome back. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bear indicator since 542 and a full transition there on 42 vision, and outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, and it was sent directly here to our Discord. You can see it here at 11:25 popping up on the screen, and it did not get canceled till 1:10 p.m. and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint, pure weakness there on the charts, and put options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description to getting connected over to our Discord, our bots, and our indicators to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the charts, individual stocks, and be able to see the trends and the strength of trends more clearly with our bull and bear indicators and our support and resistance strength of inflow versus outflows. Once again, that link is down below in the description. We look forward to having you join the community of members using it, and we look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. Here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, coming down on the 15-minute, back under our bear indicator at 541 since the bull indicator from 527 in yesterday's after hours, and we've done a full transition from bright green to red bars, and the last piece missing would be wire thread borders if this transition were to continue. And if we look at the 30-minute, we've hit red bars as well, and the last piece missing again is wire thread borders, and we're under a bear indicator. So I will be watching that here. And the bull indicator we were looking for popped up in the after hours. Those bear indicators on the 15-minute and 30-minute needed to get canceled, and they did. And we pushed up nearly $20, right? $18 from where it popped up, 527 all the way up to 545. And now we're sitting here at 535 trying to hold up. And we're going to look at the inflow versus outflow levels to see the supports and resistance clearly and how the strength of trend is looking with the bull and bear indicators. Here we can see these outflow levels that are crucial, and we rejected off that level at 545. We've been watching this, right? We bumped up to this level in the previous run. You could see how it slowed down there, and that outflow level slightly below it popped up, and that's been dominating since April 10th and all the way back here since April 3rd. Historically, that is a crucial resistance area, and we needed to break above 535 to the 538 area, and it did. It broke right through it, continued, and then this was the next level up here, right? 545 all the way up to 547, and then above that, 547 to almost up towards 550. Now we're back down here and under a bear indicator, and I will be watching because we're trying to pop back up and hold support above 533, which is the top level of this outflow level, not that far from it, and 535, and it's bouncing back up and fighting here. If we go ahead and push up, we need to see this bear indicator get canceled, and not only that one, but also on the 30-minute and on the 5-minute, we're seeing in the volatility still a bear indicator here at 536, and it's sitting kind of flat. If we were to pull downwards, the first support there is 533, and then below that is all the way down towards 530 and the 527 area. And if we zoom in even further and look at this in the tight range, you could see the supports and resistance there that we're trying to hold at. Yesterday, it popped up in the after hours near that 534 level, 533. We came all the way down to it after those outflows popped up, and we bounced off of it, and now we're back in this area, and it's going to be crucial to break through 538. So I will be watching if this bull indicator can push things up towards 538, 539, roll that strength over into the 5-minute and also the 15-minute. And then in the 15-minute, the crucial levels are the highs of the day, 545 all the way up to 547 and then up towards 550. So those are the crucial levels I will be watching to the upside and to the downside very carefully. And this is where 42 vision really gives us that edge to see the strength of trend, right? With the bull and bear indicators as extra layers of confirmation and the levels to not ignore and why we're bouncing at those levels. We're bouncing here between 533, 535 because that's the top level of this outflow level that actually brought things down all the way down to 520 in a single day and even all the way down to the lows here of 508. because we kept rejecting off of it, and you can see the domination of outflows here, right? Red, pink is outflows, blue, indigo is inflows, and you could see the compound of inflows here trying to push back up. Once we broke through this, the next levels were up here, and now we're below them, and now we're in this tight range of supports and resistance fighting, right? If this gets broken through 532, things can accelerate even further to the downside. And this is how you can gain an edge and clarity over the charts. And if you guys want to receive it, you can now join and get connected and join the members using it. And we look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. The link is down below in the description and in the top pinned comment. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.